Hello, everyone. This is Jose from Pro Studio Live. I'm currently building my studio. That's why the walls look the way they do. But anyway, today we're using the signal generator for two really cool things. We're going to add some subs to this track, and we're also going to go and add some bass to a kick drum. So let's do the subs first. I'm going to play them to you, and then I'm going to tell you what I did. Cool. So what did I do? All right. First thing I did, we cut here. This is the kick drum, and we're gonna cut a copy down to another track. And this is where we want the sub to engage. If we want it to engage somewhere else, we copy it somewhere else. And oh, there it is. To copy, you can just hold Option while you drag, and it's going to copy. Cool little trick. Anyway, we want to turn this all the way down. We're not really meant to listen to this. This is going to act as a trigger to open up this gate. Now, once this gate opens, our signal generator is going to come through. The signal generator is set at 49 hertz. I just thought that sounded really nice. Now, some people will like to tune it to the song that they're doing, have it in the same key, and that's cool too. You can experiment all you want. So how do we use this as a trigger for a gate? This is called sidechain, and you engage it with this key thing. Now we are basically sending this signal to a bus that we're not using, and here it is, and we're finding that here as well. Now, in this particular gate, it's called key input, and you look for the same bus, and that's going to route this into your sidechain. Now, you're going to want to set your threshold accordingly. My range is all the way down because I want my gate closed all the way when it's closed. Ratio, I have it all the way up. Attack. Now, attack is important. Here, I can show you why. If we turn attack too fast, you're going to hear it click. Hear that? Now, if we put it where I've had it, the click is not going to be that noticeable. It's a little softer. You hear that? Now, if I turn it way too slow, we have a whoosh kind of thing, and that's not what we're looking for in this particular example. So 3.5, all right, yeah. Release. So this is the time it takes for the gate to actually close. It closes within this time frame. If it were faster, it'd be a very different sound. I like the boominess of it being long. Longer sounds tend to sound bassier in our heads. And hold. Now, once the signal level of our trigger goes below the threshold, the gate is going to start closing again. The hold keeps the gate on open for a little longer, and that's where I like the setting. So with all these settings, this is going to open the gate just the right amount for it to sound awesome. And I have a compressor because I want to hear the decay a little louder. So with the track. Pretty cool. Now moving on, I want to show you guys how to add some bass to your kick drum with a signal generator as well. So let's listen to this. So this was recorded with using just 3 microphones, and there was one microphone on the kick, but it was an SM57. Now SM57s don't record a lot of bass, so I could use an EQ, but really the frequencies aren't there to begin with. it might work, but in some cases it won't. So I'm using, it looks like I made a plugin here. It's called a kick fattener. And it basically consists of a similar process where we have the signal generator and we have a gate that is opening up each time we hit the kick. And I have a compressor too, just for kicks. Um, so you want to set the threshold at a level where the gate is going to open up whenever you hit the kick and not when you hit a snare or a tom or anything else. Now, if you recorded your microphone close enough to the kick, you're going to be able to find this level. Range is all the way down, ratio is all the way up. Attack, the same thing. We're trying to avoid the clicky noise. And release and hold, if you notice, are faster because we're trying to set them at the same decay as the original kick drum sound. So let's listen to it with my kick fattener, see what it does. All right, and without, turn it on. Cool. So those are two really cool uses for the signal generator, and there's much more. I hope this helps you guys, and I'll see you on the next live show.